Hi there. Today I want to share my opinion and comparison between two mice, Logi MX Master 3S and Keychron M6. The Keychron M6 immediately caught my attention with its familiar design. Yes, it does look quite similar to the MX Master series, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. This form factor has proven to be comfortable for many users over the years. Let's break down the features. Both mice target productivity users, but they have key differences. MX Master 3S offers 8000 DPI sensor, quiet clicks and premium software support, while Keychron M6 offers 19,000 DPI sensor, tactile clicks and affordable pricing. Build quality and ergonomics. The MX Master 3S has a more pronounced thumb rest, making it comfortable for extended use. The Keychron M6 is lighter, which some users may prefer. Button placement and features. One of the biggest differences is the signature thumb button on the MX Master 3S. This gesture control button is fantastic for workflow shortcuts, especially on macOS. Unfortunately, the M6 doesn't have this feature. Customization and software. Logi Options Plus is miles ahead in software customization, offering app-specific settings, macros, and seamless multi-device switching. Keychron software is functional but more basic in comparison. Scroll wheel comparison. MX Master 3S features Logitech's MagSpeed wheel, which allows for free spin scrolling, a must for navigating long documents. Keychron M6 uses a more traditional scroll wheel. Battery life. MX Master 3S lasts 70 days on a single charge. Keychron lasts about 40-45 days. Both use USB Type-C, but Logitech's longer battery life is noticeable. DPI and performance. While M6 boasts 90,000 DPI and MX Master 3S has 8000 DPI, most people use around 3000 DPI. Both mice track well, but the MX Master 3S can work even on glass. Connection and multi-device support. Both mice offer Bluetooth 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity. MX Master 3S can connect to 3 devices seamlessly. M6 supports multi-device switching but with slight delays. Fit and glide. M6 uses PTFE fit, making it glide smoothly like a gaming mouse. MX Master 3S has slightly more resistance, helping with precision work. So what's the final verdict? Which one should you get? Go for the MX Master 3S if you rely on gesture controls, you work across multiple devices, you love MagSpeed scrolling, you want longer battery life, and you need premium software features. Choose the Keychron M6 if you prefer more tactile clicks, you want an ergonomic mouse without breaking the bank, you don't need advanced gesture controls, you like a lighter mouse, and you're already in the Keychron ecosystem. As for me, the MX Master 3S remains king because of its thumb button and MagSpeed wheel. However, Keychron M6 is a solid budget alternative, especially for those who prefer a more tactile experience. So if you want the biggest productivity mouse, get the MX Master 3S. If you want a great ergonomic option at a lower price, the M6 won't disappoint. Either way, both mice are a massive upgrade over standard office mice.